This is assignment number 3 using decision control statements like if else if, and so on. Here I'm going to give you the last two problems so that by doing these two, you're able to really master basic programming logic, which is going to be a wonderful skill to have on your resume. So I will call this particular problem as a silver medal problem. If you're able to do this, you can congratulate yourself of having won a silver medal. So try to understand what this particular problem is. It is telling a school conducts a maths test 4 times in a semester. And to give the students the benefit, it wants to consider the average of the top 3 test marks. What it means is, if the marks in the 4 tests a student has got 10, 30, 20 and 35, I am only going to consider 30, 20 and 35 out of 50. Assume the test is conducted out of 50. So I am only going to take the top 3 or the best 3 and I am going to eliminate 10. So I'll just give you a hint how you can solve this particular problem. The hint is you got to try to eliminate 10 somehow. If you can remove 10, then you just have to add the other 3 topmost. So just think. One more hint I'll give you. It is very similar to a problem I have solved it for you. So if you have understood that problem thoroughly, you can apply it here. Now the last problem. All right. This is, I would say, a gold medal problem. If you do it this correctly, your logic is just terrific and your ability to think is really wonderful. So what it is it's asking you to read two numbers and print the result of dividing the larger number by the smaller one. So suppose I read two numbers 20 and 30. I'll divide 30 by 20, which is 1.5, and print the result. So far so good, but it's a bit trickier than this. Really apply your mind. I'll tell you why it's tricky. Assume one of those numbers is 0, then what happens? You will get a divide by 0. But there are other issues too. So try to solve this problem and then you can pat yourself that you have won a gold medal. So in a week's time, you will have solution for the third assignment too.